welcome back. Did we miss me? Oh god, it's just been like literally 5 minutes. So, to jump in, plain and simple, I have 2 boxes of the 14 Mega Block Box exclusive Purple Shark Prizms. I got 2 of these, 2020, and I have the retail Panini Prizm box. So, I'm going to start off with this one. This is the one I'm starting off with first, porque yo hablo español, pero yo no hablo mucho. ¿Tú hablas español? Dime. Tell me. Let me know. They break Spanish? Question mark? Yeah. Empty box. Say goodbye to the box. I don't know. Summer's everywhere. Spanish, British. Do we still have our talkative chats? Oh, yeah. Let me know who we want this NBA break. I had some nice people talking to me last break, so hopefully you guys are a bunch of wimps. I have a rated rookie. Oh, Christ. How do you... LG Puvasky. Ooh, already. Autograph. Greg Ostrag. Oh, I have a Steven Adams and a Ricky Rubio. Guys, tell me players you're looking out for. Are you happy about the teams that you have? Let me know. Again, we're friends here, okay? This is become friends with your breaker is what somebody else had said last break. Okay. Wanted them to see it. Upside down. Sekou Dambuya. Bogdan Bogdanovic. Fuck with me. James Harden. I have an Eric Bledsoe. Lovely. You know what I've noticed is that basketball people don't talk much, but football people talk. Step up your game and talk to me. Don't just stare at me, that's weird. Or just stare at me. Anthony Davis. Rookie card, Grant Riller. Oh, he wants that card. I have a Dwayne Wade for the Miami Heat. Love him the most. Okie dokie. And I have a rated rookie of a Denny Advidja. Lovely. Bradley Beal, Aaron Gordon, Klay Thompson, and I have a Jackson Hayes. Terry Rozier, rated rookie Xavier Tillman. I have a Lugens Dort and a rated rookie for Jahami Ramsey. Guys, I'm quiet because you guys are quiet. Like you guys, but the people in the chat room. What happened? Did we fall asleep? Are we sleeping? I'm taking a nap. Dwight Powell. Uduka Azubuki, a rated rookie. I don't know. Zion Williamson. Lovely, that's a cool looking card. And a rated rookie, Theo Maladon. Lovely. There's 32 teams or 32 million? 30. So you're going to tell me that there's 30 people here? 10. Oh, okay, so there's 10 of you here. Where are you at? Where are you at? I'll hunt you down. Not literally, but like, talk to me, yo. Come on. Mitchell Robinson. John Collins. Tim Duncan. Markeel Flutes. What are you scared of? Why aren't you talking to me? I swear, I'm fantastic and nice. The football crowd was my friend. Last break, it was literally 2 minutes ago. No, maybe like 10 minutes ago now, but... Right, exactly. Paul George. Darius Garland. Nikola Joker. Chris Middleton. Thomas Bryant. Denol House Jr. Kyrie Irving, whatever the fuck your name is. Hitchmura. Yeah, you don't put me to sleep. Sorry. Jaren Jackson Jr. Paul Millsap. Dwayne Wade once again. And Lonnie Walker the fifth. So that means that they named their children same name 5 times. That's switch up. Kevin Knox II. Rated rookie Elijah Hughes. Anthony Davis. This is a cool card. I like that one. RJ Hampton. Rated rookie. Are you all of you who are in the chat right now? Are your fingers broken? You know your phone has, or maybe you're on a computer. I don't know. Majority have like a microphone you can talk to. And talking to it. Talk to me. What is the issue? I'm reading your cards. I mean, the least you can do is, tell me who you want. Weirdos. Anyways, D'Angelo Russell. Emmanuel Quickly. That's good card. Rated rookie. Kyrie Irving. Colin Sexton. Tyler Hero. Rated rookie James Weissman. Nice board. Blake Griffin. Seth Curry. Alright, last pack of that box. Donovan Mitchell. Damian Lillard. Jason Williams.
White chocolate.
Huh?
That's his nickname, White Chocolate.
White chocolate? Okay. Zion Williamson. Okay, guys. God, what a fun crowd I have over here. Just kidding. You guys are not fun. See the cards? Cool, me too. See the empty box? Yeah, cool, me too. Russell Westbrook, rated rookie Brennan Carey Jr. Wait, I think that's my mom's former student. Huh? Yeah, he went to NSU.
I don't know.
Interesting. I have to take a picture. I have to show my mom. That's cool. Michael Porter Jr. Seth Curry. What are these cards? Goran whatever your fucking name is. Garrett Culver. Jason Williams once again. White chocolate. And a Victor Oladipo. Ooh, guys, she's thick. And you know what? Because of you guys not talking to me, it's going at the end. Biatches. Marvin Bagley III. Fred Van Vliet. Don Von Mitchell. Davion, whatever. Montrezl Harrell. Thomas Bryant, rookie card Grant Riller, Larry Bird, Colin Sexton. Guys, if you didn't know, we are going to be on Whatnot this weekend, so catch us over there on Whatnot. Going to be better, longer breaks. So stay tuned. Check out our Instagram for more details. With all of that, babes_breaks. It says it right here. Check us out. I have a Terry Rozier, Daniel House Jr., Jason Tatum, and Eric Bledsoe. Joseph Nurkic, rated rookie Xavier Tillman, rated rookie RJ Hampton, and a Mike Conley. Mitchell. Donovan. I like to just pronounce it. Damian Lillard. Isaiah Thomas, and Jackson Hayes. Bradley Beal, rated rookie Elijah Hughes, Tim Duncan, Ricky Rubio, Dwight Powell, Aaron Gordon, Luka Doncic, Chris Middleton. You guys are really talking up the storm. Don't hurt yourselves with all that talking that you're doing. Paul George, LeBron James, Theo Maledon, rated rookie. Tyler Hero, Darius Garland, Bam Bam, right? I remember. LeBron James, once again. LeBron James. Anyways, I have Sekou Dembele. Sabu? You say it too fast. Aduka Azumbuki. Whatever your name is. Rated rookie. Jason Tatum. Seth Curry.
Right. This is everything I wanted.
I feel awkward when nobody talks now. Anthony Davis, Bogdan, whatever he freaking said. Ben Simmons, Russell Westbrook, rated rookie Denny Yeah. Alright. Weirdos who don't talk to me and just stare at my face. This is our last pack. And it is quite thick. So, you know, if you let me know who you want or who you're rooting for, whatever, I'd pull a good card for you, but no, you guys are weird. D'Angelo Russell, John Collins. I think this just has more cards. Gorgon Dragic, Mitchell Robinson. I have a rated rookie James Wiseman. Nice. I have a Kevin Durant, and I have a Kemba Walker. It just had extra cards in it. Weird. So, that's what you guys get for not... Oh, heard. Before we get into the box, let's go through our nice highlights over here. These are all just that one box? Wow.
2 boxes.
2, okay. James Wiseman, rated rookie. I have a Denny Adja, rated rookie. Just got that one. Theo Maledon, rated rookie. RJ Hampton, rookie. James Wiseman, once again, rookie. I have an Anthony Davis. I like this card. Rookie RJ Hampton. Rated rookie whatever you can read. Rated rookie Theo Maledon. Signature card over here. Greg Ostrag. Oyster tag, whatever. Seth Curry. Love him. When is football? Did it already finish? Next is football. Next break. I have one box, and then after that, we're gonna do football. And talk to me, Corbin99. How are you? Now I know your name, so I won't shut up now. Vernon Carey Jr. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, this is my mom's former student. I'm telling you. Zion Williamson. Whatever. Seth Curry. Emmanuel Quickly. I already read these names anyways. Lonnie Walker the 5th. Chris Middleton. Rated rookie Denny Aj, whatever your name is. And Ricky Rubio. Oh, wow, somebody's talking to me. Wow. I'm good, actually. I am good. I was having a great last break with the football crowd, and honestly, I like the football crowd. They talk to me. Basketball, I've learned that doesn't talk to me. You guys, I don't know why they don't talk. But football people, they like to talk. So, yeah, having fun, reading cards. Are you here? Do you have spots in the basketball, or are you just football? Are you early? Welcome to the party if you are. Empty box, everybody. Say goodbye to the box. Alright. Let's get through it. DeAndre Hunter. Josh Jackson. Pascal Siakam. Rookie card Theo Meldon. I'm like, football. I got the 49ers. Okay. I will be with you soon, football. Corbin99. You can't even remember me. With the 49ers. Alright. Joseph Nurkic. Shabazz Napier. Ours. Rookie card Cole Anthony. Nice. Rookie card LaMelo Ball. LaMelo. Chris Middleton, Seth Curry, Gordon Dragic, rookie card Daniel Arturo. Aaron Baines, Shy something Alexander, Josh Richardson, Ricky Rubio. Torrey Craig, Dwight Howard, Obi Toppin, rookie card, Noise, and I have a rookie card, Tyrell Terry. Bismack by Mobile. Andrew Wiggins. Rookie card RJ Hampton. And a Christian Wood. You guys totally missed me for Journey. Look at that. Domantas Sabonis, Jaylen Brown, Denny Adijia, or whatever your freaking name is, Josh Green, rookie card, lovely. embarrassing myself.
Out the mud with it, I put the work and you can find me with a turkey. Kissing sitting like a surgeon. Bad ones, you can turn me. Showing a curse split. She know that I'm worth it. I'm feeling blown early. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, put the fiddle pretty penny to a thick stack.
Devontae Vilele. Al Harford. Wendell Carter Jr. CJ McCown. Robert Covington. Emmanuel Muday. Onyek Akuawu. Rookie card. Rookie card. Nico Manning. Guys, these names, not it. Start off with this one. Harry Gillis III, TJ Warren, Kevin Hunter, not Hunter, Carter, rookie card Tyrese Maxey, lovely. Dwayne Bacon, Thaddeus Young, Alfred Payton, rookie card Denny Adjo. What is the frick name is? Oh, fired. So sorry, guys. So sorry. Jeremy Lamb. Ooh, drumroll please, everybody. I got a Caleb Martin rookie card signature. Noise. I have a Rui Hamaracha. Russell Westbrook. Yeah. This pack feels like it's taken forever. Me in the box. Oh, Patty Mills, Derek Favors, Tyrese Maxey rookie card, Noise, Tyler Hero, with the Miami Heat, what a cute angle. Daniel House Jr. Jordan Poole. The Greek Freak. Derrick Rose. Anthony Simmons, Nemanja Belgica, Clyde Dexter, rookie card, Cassis Winston. I don't know. Hard name for someone. Hard name. Somewhere not very well. Oh no. I'll pause. Keep going. Okay, can they hear me?
They can't hear you, but the video's recording.
Okay. D'Angelo Russell. Darius Bosley, TJ Warren, James Johnson. It's not like anybody's talking to me anyway. So hey, YouTube. Huh?
18 viewers.
Oh wow, 18 viewers and nobody's talking to me. Can they not hear? Oh, cool. Okay. Julius Randall. I was just informed that there's 18 people watching right now. And you're telling me you're not going to say a word to me? Y'all are flaw. Draymond Green. Duncan Robinson. Mark Gasol. Lovely. We're intimidated. Tone B. What's good, homie? Yo, that's the man. Rudy Gobert. Kemba Walker. Jaden McDaniels, rookie card. Do you want it? Day-Marie Carl. Just a few cards left, people. I mean packs. You're intimidated, huh? Shit, I would be too. Spencer Dinwiddie. Dirk Nowitzki. James Harden. Rookie card. Aliski G. Pavas. Whatever his name is. Fish Dog 1307. Football. Okay, I like my football crowd, so just stay along, stay around. I'm almost done, I swear. Basketball one feels like it's taking forever. I think it's because nobody's talking to me. DeAndre Bembry, Gordon Dragic, Trae Young, rookie card, Jamias Ramsey. Lovely. Okay, this is my 4th pack of the NBA, and then I'm moving on to the football. So my football crowd that is here, I'm gonna be with you momentarily. Okay. Kevin Looney, Josh Richardson, rookie card Onyeka Okongwu, Bobby Portis. Third pack. Then I have 2 more. I don't collect football cards because they usually suck. I feel you. Hey, everybody has their reasons. Clint Capela. Jimmy Butler. He's a tall man. Miami Heat. Cody Zeller. Andre Drummond. Alright guys, 2 more packs. I want to be done with this whole NBA crowd. You guys, nothing. Kevin Durant. Aaron Gordon. Mo Bamba. Brian Forbes. Nice Joker card, people. He's the man. The Joker. He makes jokes sometimes. Just kidding. I don't know if he makes jokes. I don't know. Alright. Last pack. Ish Smith. TJ Washington Jr. Anthony Melton. And rookie card Patrick Williams. Fantastical. Let's go through our highlights. I have a Mo Bamba, Cody Zeller. Here is our signature card, Caleb Martin rookie card. I have a Tyrese Maxey, A Jaden McDaniels rookie card. A Tyrese Maxey once again rookie card. Rookie card Josh Green. A Daniel Alturo rookie card. Cole Anthony rookie card. Nico Manning rookie card. Obi Toppin rookie card. LaMelo Ball rookie card. Patrick Williams rookie card. And a Goran Dragic Miami Heat. And last but not least, I have a D'Anthony Melton. Lovely, everybody, lovely, lovely, lovely. Are we?
1 minute break just to reset.
Okay, we're gonna take literally a 1 minute break, and then just to reset, we'll be right back. So catch me with football.